Alright, you're welcome once again to our YouTube channel, Crypto Family, a place where we share an information and proper guideline on how you can earn a free digital product. So today we are going to discuss about Unich token. Remember that Unich token have a good potential. It's one of the best mining projects out there, which if you have not participated, automatically you are missing a lot. So if you are the kind of person that have interest of such kind of a thing, go ahead and check on the description of this particular video and you will see a link there. Register and insert the code. So I'm going to show you the code that you're going to use to register. Here is the code that you're going to use to register your account, because without this code they can't verify you. So the link will be in the description of the video. So let's go back and make sure this site is not only by mining. You can as well perform some tasks. You will earn more FD points, because in this particular place we are mining points, which is called FD points. You can join the Telegram, the Twitter and the Instagram and you earn more. Make sure you perform all the tasks. As you can see, I have performed all the tasks as of today. So every 24 hours they add new tasks. So just come and join. I have made a separate video on how to perform the tasks, so you can as well find the video within this particular channel. So, and another thing you need to understand is that you have a referral program. If you refer, you earn percentage. So this is a referral program. You can as well refer your friends, and as well there's another one they called roadmap. So roadmap is a place where they will they will show you what they're up to, the events that will come up, how they will release the token, how they will going to list it in exchange. All those kind of things is being discussed in the roadmap. And leaderboard is those who are participating, especially participating in a very high way. That is what they call leaderboard. So let's go back. And another thing you need to understand is this particular place that said Web3 wallets. You can see they have airdrop section and Web3 wallet section. We are on airdrop section. Once it is allowed to be listed, the GA, it will be highlighted in a red color. So today let's click on this Web3 wallet and know what is it all about. Let's click on it. As you can see, they said welcome to Unich token. So here we are. Today you are going to understand perfectly that this particular site, you don't need to be joking with it, because why? It has good potential. As you can see, it's just like Trust Wallet or any other wallet that is out there. So you can click on this manage crypto, just like Trust Wallet. The way we operate in crypto Trust Wallet, you can just click on it. You can highlight any one of your choice that you wish to highlight. Just for instance, you highlight this, anyone you wish to be on the dashboard of this particular Web3 page, you highlight it. If you want to turn it off, you can as well turn it off just like other ones. If you want to add coin from another site, you can as well click here. Then you can add coin, change the network, either BNB or Trust or Ethereum. Currently it is Ethereum. You can change it to BNB. You can change it to BNB as well. So that is how it works. So you enter your name, your contract address, and so many of them. So that is how it works. And another thing you need to understand is that the creation of the wallet. So as you can see, you create your wallet with a backup manually, and at the same time you can back it up on Google Drive, which is on this particular place. Today we're going to make use of manually process. So after that, after you click on it, they ask you to enter your password, which you use to create the password. Then you click on this, click on here, you click on confirm. So they'll ask you to keep your passphrase very safe. As you can see, they won't show you this because why? For the security purpose. Your passphrase is written here. As you can see, write down what exactly in order and appear and keep them secure in a offline location. So it is up to you. You can click on next if you want to see what they have. So that is how it is. So this is your passphrase. Let me end it here. So another thing you need to understand is that you need to understand that this is what they call Explorer. Once you click on Explorer, it will take you to a place that you notice that there is a pre-sale going on in this particular place. So let's click on Explorer. You click on the Unich pre-market trading. Just hold on, let it load. So just hold on a bit, just go ahead and purchase, but make your own personal research before engaging yourself in this kind of a thing. This is pre-sale section. As you can see, it's trading at 0.62 cents. So that is the pre-sale. You can go ahead and buy and hold as of now. And as you can see, it's being built on a Solana blockchain. You can find it on Solana blockchain, and at the same time you can change your network, anyone that you want to use, you can change it. Currently it is on Solana. You put it on Solana, so that is how it is. So if you want to add any other network, you can click on the plus button, then you can add any other wallet and connect with this particular site. So, but that is not where we are going to today. So I think you have understand this particular information perfectly. So just do well to participate in this particular project, because we believe in this project so much, because it has good potential. So it means it's going to be exactly like BNB or any other coin like a BGB, which is Bitgate, a token. So just do well to participate, because it is a high chance to participate in this kind of project. So we have come to an end of this particular information. Do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that each time we bring a good information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So go ahead and click the subscription button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and at the same time share to your friends. So be safe and always remain focused. Goodbye.